Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevy Tahoe LT without auto start-stop. Now, I'll go into depths a little bit about that. As I'm sure so many of you are aware of, especially if you're watching this video and in the market for one of these, new cars are near impossible to get right now. Every dealership across the country is suffering from the chip shortage, low inventory. You know, I've seen some dealerships that normally have 400 cars, they got 40. It's that crazy. What Chevrolet has been doing on the Silverado and the Tahoe is conserving chips by removing a certain system, in this case, auto start stop. So you'll see on the sticker, 5.3 liter Ecotec V8 without auto start stop. Now, they are still producing them with the auto start stop system. It's just not all of them have it anymore. Personally, I've never been a big fan of it. I don't like the vehicle shutting off at stoplights. It's just weird. Your AC kind of diminishes. It's just a weird system overall. I always disable it. So the fact that you have the option now to buy one without the feature at all is huge for me. Realized I completely, while I was speaking, totally ignored everything. Shadow gray over jet black. Sticker price of $60,490. Again, you'll realize new cars right now, almost every single one of them has a little bit of markup. I don't know what the markup is on this one, if there is any. But the sticker price is $60,000, which is not bad for what it is. All right. I believe this would be the button to disable auto start stop. But this is pretty cool. I've been wanting to review one of these for a while. I haven't driven one of these in forever because we've just had none. So, saw one in inventory, had to take a look at it, which is actually the only one we have. So I hope nobody's wanting to buy a Tahoe within the next 20 minutes. But with my luck, somebody is coming to look at it, so I have to make this video quick. Plenty of torque from the 5.3. 6.2 liter is standard on the high country, I believe. And optional on some other high-end trims. Of course, this shares the platform with the Yukon and the Escalade. Escalade, I know, is standard with the 6.2 across all trims. Yukon 6.2 and the Denali. But every single one of them is available with the 3-liter Duramax, which I've seen one Escalade with. Haven't seen any other than that. Yet to drive one, but sure, it's just like the Silverado with the Duramax. And I like that motor. It's a great motor. Tons of torque. It's like I'm a big fan of the 2.7 turbo too, but not many people like that 2.7. They're like, oh, 4-cylinder, oh. It's better than the V6, I can tell you that. I like it much more than the V6. Oh, yeah, these are nice. I mean, I loved the previous gen. I always felt like when I drove a black Suburban, I always felt like the FBI or anything like that. You know, because you watch so many TV shows and that's what they use for FBI cars. And, man, these things are... It was a huge step in the right direction. And I've seen leaked images of the... Or not leaked, press images for the 2022 Silverado, and the interior is even prettier than this. So I'm definitely excited to see the 22 Silverado in person. Oh, come on. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.